In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up instant replies in Meta Business Suite automation. By the end, you'll have an automatic response ready to go the moment someone messages your page, helping you acknowledge inquiries quickly and set expectations even when you're not at your desk. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. This is the home of Meta Business Suite on desktop. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in and then select your Facebook page. If you manage multiple pages, double-check you're choosing the right one so the settings apply where you expect. Next, head to the inbox. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar within Meta Business Suite. Inside the inbox, look for automations. This area is designed to help you streamline repetitive actions and keep your response times consistent. Click Automations to open the tools that handle your page's automatic messages. From the list of options, choose Instant Reply. Instant Reply is the feature that sends a quick, automatic message to anyone who reaches out to your page, acknowledging their message right away. It's especially helpful for setting the tone, letting people know you've received their message and sharing what they can expect next. Turn it on. You'll typically see a toggle or switch. Make sure it's enabled so your message is active. If it's off, your audience won't receive anything automatically. Now, write your automatic message. Keep it friendly, helpful, and clear. A great instant reply thanks the person for reaching out, lets them know you've received their message, and gives them a rough idea of when you'll get back to them. If appropriate, share useful info like your usual response time, business hours, or a link to helpful resources. Keep it concise and on brand, and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. Decide where this message applies. You can choose Messenger, Instagram, or both, depending on where your audience contacts you. If you receive messages across platforms, enabling it in both places keeps your communication consistent and ensures no one gets missed. Finally, click Save. This confirms your settings and publishes the automated reply. Once saved, your instant reply will go out automatically the moment someone messages your page, so they're never left wondering if their note went through. If you need to adjust the wording or turn it off later, you can return to the same automations area at any time and update it. That's all you need to set up instant replies in Meta Business Suite. Instant replies are sent automatically when someone messages your page.